Hey everybody, it's Everett with Hood Time Welding back with you today for another build. Today we're building an Angel. Sort of a special thing for the customer. I've known her for a while, she's a friend. A while back she lost her sister at a young age, and it was pretty bad. I knew her sister, so to me this is sort of a special build. So for this build, she sent me this picture of this Angel. So as you see, the Angel's pretty cool, but it's sort of bland for my taste, and I really don't like the wings. So I'm going to go ahead and change that a little bit. I've got a few ideas on how to make it look better. And the other thing was, as I found this cool multicolored silverware that I think will go real nice. We're using forks, spoons, a pie server for the wings. So go ahead and join me. If you like my content, please remember to subscribe and follow. As always, thank you. So, I've already got 2 forks made up. Let's go ahead and make another one so you can see how they're made. So we're just going to start out bending the arms down to get them out of the way. It's nice bender that I got just a little bit back for doing rings tends to work pretty nice for this. So now we're going to switch out dies so that we can do the head and the halo. It's a pretty quick process. Now we're going to fine tune that a little bit with these nice pair of pliers I have. And you can see it's just a little bit off. So we got to just work that a little too much. I got to get it just right. I want it to look really nice. So there's the head. Now for the halo, this would bend it just a little too much. So what I do is I get the bend started with that, and I use these nice little pliers to get it most of the way. Finish it up with those, and then use the bigger pliers here. You gotta bring that down just a little bit. There we go. I know I see that crack too. What I'll end up doing is I'll just end up throwing a little tack in there with my welder. So now we're gonna go ahead and throw the bender back in so we can bend the arms the other way. So it looks like they're praying. I give them about the same length. And actually what we do is we're going to bring the arms down a little bit with the pliers. And bend them in. So they touch, or as close as I can get them. And there we have it. That actually needs to come up just a teeny bit, so it's a little more discernible. So that is all there is to that. So after we got done with the main body, I went ahead and bent the wings. I already had them pre-cut. I want to get an edge on them, or fold up on them so it looks a little bit more wing-like, and then they fold in a little bit. And then I put it all together, including the hanger on the back. So just continue watching. At the end there are some photos of it. And as always, thanks for watching.